Museum of American Art. Today I'm up on the third floor in an exhibition where we are showcasing modern and contemporary artists of the Bigs. Behind me is a sculpture called Body from Egg, created by the artist Michael Israel Gallmer. Now, this sculpture shows an egg with human legs in a sprouting tree. And this artist talks about how his sculpture is meant to represent how humans, animals, nature are all connected together. And that ties into our Bigs Kids activity for this month. Since we just celebrated Earth Day and the weather happens to be getting nice and warm, we are also going to celebrate humans and nature outside the Bigs and how that's inspired art by having a Bigs Kids fully about something called environmental art. Now, environmental art has a whole bunch of different ways that it's done. And environmental art looks at taking different elements of nature or the environment surrounding you. So the type of plants and weather and animals that are around you at home or outside or in a different area, and celebrating it or drawing attention to it. So today for Bigs Kids, you can come down to the museum, the Bigs Museum of American Art, located at 406 Federal Street in Dover, Delaware. And you can create your own environmental art using different natural elements. And you can create these structures, patterns, sculptures out of objects like branches, flowers, rocks, twigs, and you can build them outside the Bigs on our lawn in a celebration of nature and the world around us, just like this sculpture behind me. Thank you for joining me, Miss Kristen, here at the Bigs Museum of American Art, and I hope you come by and celebrate the Earth with us. I look forward to seeing you next month. Bye.